Hello and welcome to day 20 of learning Python from chatgpt. So let's carry on. Yeah, here we go. So please give me today's lesson, day 20, lesson 20, with you acting as my private tutor. He'll probably have forgotten everything, but anyway. Whilst it's responding, I'll just set up the... Oh no, it's already loading it. Okay, Python lesson 20. Oh, I've already done this. I have already done this lesson. Okay, let's see. Let's proceed with Flask and SQLite. Have I done this? Okay, let me see. What did I do last time? It's been a while because my OBS wasn't working before. I'll just close this a minute. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my to load. I've already done this lesson, I'll say. Is it loaded? I closed down the Tiki into one. Close. Oh. Okay, let's see. So we have done, yeah, we've done this, but chatgpt is not loading. So day 19. Oh, that was connecting to the SQLite database, so it was pretty good. Enhance queries handling. Yeah. Please move on from the Flask topic and SQL topic, as I have already done them. Okay, let's see if it works this time. Please move on from the Flask topic. I just have a quick read of this once it's rejog my memory. So from third. It doesn't know. Okay, yeah, I do debugging. Yeah. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay, let's proceed with the next topic. Since you've been topics of Flask and SQLite, we can advance to testing, debugging, and deployment. So, testing and debugging are essential skills for any developer. In this lesson, you'll learn how to write unit tests using unit tests and PyTest, as well as debugging techniques in Python. So, using unit tests, built-in testing framework, import unit tests from sample module. Yeah, I've done that. I haven't done modules, but assert. We don't need to use modules, I don't think. So that's debugging, complex functions, PDB, interactive debugger. Okay, I already know debugging, so I'm just gonna do the first one in a minute. So let's do new Python file, day 20.py. let's do the unit test. So I'm just going to write some really basic functions. So def multiply. Def multiply 1, 2. Oops, no, not very basic. This video JavaScript, so we're supposed to do. So return 1 times 2. I just do the add 1, 2, return 1 plus 2. So now we'll do, what was it, assert? Let's see the exact syntax. Yeah, okay, so we need to encapsulate it, not encapsulate, but enclose it in a function. So def test multiply. Do we have any arguments? Like, does it? No. Test add. Assert. Multiply 1, 3, 3. Assert multiply 4 and 8 is equal to 32. Assert multiply 9, 6 is equal to 54. That's 3 tests. Test add 5, 6, 11. No, what am I doing? Test add, assert, add 4 and 2 is equal to 6, and then assert add 9 and 7 is equal to 16. And then I do one that's wrong here, add 54. No, I do just 3 and 4 equal to 8. So that will obviously not pass.